Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to my channel. In a mixed media frenzy, that's where we all take the same sketch or layout and use it as inspiration to create our own. And this is the sketch that we have today. And instead of two photos, I'm going to have one, and it's going to be portrait style. So the area with the paint is going to have to be taller. And I was really tempted to use my gelatos. I even pulled them out. But I told myself I need to get out of my comfort zone a little bit and use some brighter colors. And these aren't a whole lot brighter. They're watercolors that my niece gave me. And, well, she's actually one of the gals in the photo. They're both my nieces and they're sisters. And she's the one that gave me the paints, is the one with the pink and magenta colored hair. And unfortunately, my gelatos didn't really pull that color out, or I didn't think they were going to, so I decided I'd go with brighter colors. And, sometimes, well, not, it's been very recently, I didn't get my paint to cover a big enough area and I had to add some more. So I'm making sure I've got enough this time, and it's going to go below my area. I knew I was going to be matte in my photo, and I did start out with my photo measuring it, but I remembered I was going to have matting under there, so I pulled the biggest piece of mat that I thought I was going to use, and I did good. My paint still shows when I get done. And I pulled out my white and my black. I'm not going to use the black. I thought I might make something darker, but I don't need to, so I'm not going to use it. But I am going to use the white. And as I said, those are my nieces. And the oldest one, this was her wedding shower, and the theme was Lucille Ball, because her daddy always called her Lucy. It was not her name, it was not short for anything, but he called her Lucy. So they decided to make that the theme of the shower. And it was such a cute one. If you look at the sketch, it has the title above the pictures, and those are pretty small pictures. And it says big title, and it's in black. So I thought, okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my black foam thickers, and you can see them under that stuff over on the left-hand side. And I wanted to have some bigger letters, so those are bigger letters. So I am going to put my title to the right of my photo because there really isn't enough room up there above it. And the sketch shows stars kind of scattered down through the clustering of paint. And I'm going to use hearts instead because there is 3 hearts on the phrase sheets for the title, and I thought, well, that'll give me 3 big ones. And I pulled out my little heart confetti punch, and I'm going to use it for some smaller ones to scatter around there like confetti. It gets its name really well. I use it like confetti a lot. And although I thought I was picking the darkest yellow, it still looked pretty light. So I'm mixing some of that orange in with it. I thought about doing the black, but then I thought, well, there's this kind of burnt orange sitting right next to it. So I'm using it, and I'm going to, just make it darker with that. And you all saw me add white paint to that pink to make it lighter. Yeah, I did. And I really thought I was making it lighter. It wasn't until I got the layout done and everything was dried, because when I did go back to working on it, I had to be careful because it wasn't dry. Most of it was, but there was a few spots. Anyway, if you look at it, it is really not any darker than the pink that's over on the left-hand side. I didn't do well at all adding that white. And I am going to use both sides of that one paper, that pink paper, and then it has like paint blotches on the other side. I'm kind of thinking it might be fingernail polish, considering what all else is on these pages. But I thought I will use it because of all the colors and try to match them a little bit. I didn't do very well, just so y'all know. I didn't do very well, so it's a good thing not very much of that paper shows. And instead of matting my photo straight on, I'm kind of putting everything a little bit wonky. And the black that I used is Coronations, and so when you tear it, it shows the color that's on the other side. And in this case, the color on the other side is a light blue. And I thought, well, it's not quite teal, but it's close. And By the time I got done and the paint dried, it looked really close. If you're looking right at it, you can see that it has a tiny bit more blue to it, but I don't think anybody's going to be looking right at it. So I think it'll be all right. And I'm using the same paper to punch out my hearts. Oh, I thought I was getting ready to punch hearts. Nope, I am scattering. And these are pieces that I had fussy cut for another layout and had left over. And I thought, boy, it isn't much. Am I going to have enough? And I thought, you can be conservative. You can put less on your page, or you can pull out the scissors and fussy cut some more. So guess what? I didn't pull out the scissors and fussy cut anymore. I went with what I had. And the things that are fussy cut out are flowers, of course, and then a perfume bottle, lipstick, and some fingernail polish. I believe it's fingernail polish. It looked like it to me. And I'm going to kind of do my clusters with those. And, well, 2 clusters. I'm going to do 2 clusters like that. And then I'm going to make some really tiny clusters with some other stuff. And both girls have glasses on. So, oh, great. I have some fussy cut glasses here. So, yeah, I'm going to add the glasses to it too. I'm scattering and laying down my fussy cut stuff. I'm going to mention that if you look down there below, you'll see the links for all the other gals doing Mixed Media Frenzy this week. And they are using the same sketch that I am, so you can get to go see what creativity that they use to create their layout and how it inspires them, the same sketch. And yeah, I like it. I wasn't quite sure about using the brighter colors, but I still like it. They're not too bright. And it does bring out the colors in her hair a wee bit. Well, it don't take much to bring out the colors in that hair. It's back to normal, just so y'all know. She hasn't had it colored in a long time. And it's pretty short there. She even has part of it shaved. But it's way down her back now. And y'all can see how long Mandy's hair is. Well, she recently got hers cut. And it's still shoulder length, but that's about it. But the funny thing was, she posted on Facebook this picture. And you know how they have those things where you can put your picture in there and age yourself and see how you're going to look in 40 years or whatever? Well, she aged it, and guess what she put on there? She says, well, at least I know I'm going to look my aunt and my grandma. So she was talking about me. And yeah, she did look like me. And then she's afraid I'd miss the post, so she tagged me on it. And she also sent it to me in Messenger, so I'd be sure to see it. But yeah, she did look like me. The little phrase stickers that I'm using, they're from Simple Stories. And you know, in that little package you get that has like 5 or 6 sheets or something, the alphabet and then other stuff. Well, it says smile real big, snapshots, remember this moment, cherish every day, and gotcha with a camera. So yeah, I thought they'd all go with the photo. And if there'd been something on there about a wedding shower, I would have put that too, but I thought they all went with the photo anyway. Close to getting done. I think when I get done putting the hearts on there, I'm going to do one more thing. And that is do doodling all the way around the outside of my layout. I like doing a doodling style. I don't like using a ruler. I did try that one day. And I like much better doing a doodle style so that, you know, it's kind of wonky and not straight. And I do it fast so that it's even more wonky and not straight. But yeah, and I'm going to put some squiggly lines on it, and then that'll be it. That'll be my layout. But yeah, I'm using my my Smash pen, and it's a felt tip pen, and I like using it when I'm doing the doodling. But if you leave a comment down there below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But yeah, see how dark that is there? And wait till you get to the other side. It's almost as dark. There isn't much difference in the pink. And I thought I was going so much lighter with that white in there. No. And I did add a little bit of green to the part where I did the splattering on the teal, just to make it show up in the parts that I put on the center, because I put drops in the center part of it. The drops that are on the outside is the same color, but the ones in the center have some green just for a little bit of variety. And then I added more orange to the yellow when I did it in the center too. But that's it. I hope y'all have a happy scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.